Want to see who you recently unfollowed on Instagram? Open Instagram on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap your profile icon. Tap the three lines in the top right. Select Account Center. Scroll down and tap your information and permissions. Tap Export your information. Click on Create Export. Choose Export to Device. Next, select the Customize Information option. Tap Clear All for all the sections. Scroll and select only followers and following. And then tap Save. After that, choose the date range based on your preference. Make sure you had added the confirmation Gmail. Once you are okay with all the options, and then tap Export. It will prompt you to enter the Instagram password. Type it in the respective block. Instagram will process your request. You'll get email notification once the data is ready. Usually it takes a few minutes to a few hours. Once the data is ready, tap Download. After that, open the Files app and look for the downloaded file. Click on the file to unzip it. Next, tap on the unzipped file. Select Connections, and then Followers and Following. Now, inside choose the Recently Unfollowed Followers folder. Here, you will see the usernames and dates you unfollowed them, and that's it.